What's something almost everyone in the office gets wrong at lunchtime? It's not what you eat, it's how you heat it. Let's talk about the hidden risk in your lunch routine. Picture this. It's lunchtime. You grab last night's leftovers from the fridge. You toss the plastic container into the microwave, you hit start, and wait for the beep. Sound familiar? Here's the problem. Most plastic containers aren't designed for microwave heat. When you microwave food in regular plastic, harmful chemicals can leach in. BPA, phthalates. Scientists link these chemicals to serious health problems including hormone disruption, fertility issues, and increased risk of certain cancers. Even if the container says microwave safe, it's not a green light, especially if containers are old or scratched. The safest bet? Transfer your food to a glass dish before reheating. Or a ceramic dish. It's a simple swap that could make a big difference for your health. So next time you're on lunch break, think twice about that plastic. Protect your health. Your future self will thank you.